The F-5E divided by F Tiger II fighter jet Teyara 2025 has returned with a stunning modern transformation that merges classic legacy with 21st century innovation. At first glance, the glossy ultra-shiny orange exterior captures attention like never before. But it's not just about the looks, this aircraft means serious business. Upgraded for 2025, the Tiger II now comes with advanced avionics, modern radar systems, and fly-by-wire controls, completely revamping the cockpit into a fully digital battlefield hub. The jet's new HUD and multifunctional displays ensure pilots are always aware and in control, even in the most intense combat zones. Under the sleek, shiny frame, the jet retains its trusted twin-engine configuration but with enhancements for better thrust and fuel efficiency. The airframe has been re-engineered with advanced lightweight composites, improving speed, maneuverability, and stealth capabilities. The nose-mounted radar system is now multi-mode, capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously with increased precision. Whether in air-to-air combat or air-to-ground strikes, the F-5E divided by F Tiger II Teyara 2025 is now versatile enough to adapt to any mission profile. From the outside, the aircraft is simply breathtaking, every panel and surface designed for aerodynamic perfection. The vibrant orange finish is not only visually striking but also symbolizes the jet's fiery performance. Walk around it in the luxury white showroom and it's clear, this isn't just a remastered classic, it's a fighter jet ready to challenge modern threats. Inside, the cockpit showcases a perfect blend of ergonomic design and technological advancement. Every button, display, and control has been redesigned for ease of access, reducing pilot fatigue and maximizing combat efficiency. With data link capability, advanced jamming resistance, and real-time tactical integration, the Tiger II can now operate in tightly networked environments. This aircraft isn't just a symbol of power, it's an agile predator engineered for tomorrow's air superiority. The F-5E divided by F Tiger II fighter jet Teyara 2025 pays homage to its iconic roots while charging forward into the future with upgrades that rival even the latest generation jets. Whether for training, tactical strikes, or frontline defense, this is a jet that delivers performance with precision and power.